Hi friends, it's time for math. Today we're going to count numbers and compare them to see which one's greater than less than. Before we start the lesson, let's just talk about greater than or less than. What does the word greater than mean? You're right, greater means more. What does less than mean? Less than means smaller. So we know that greater than means more and less than means smaller. Greater than means more and less than means smaller. So I am going to show you some pictures today. And we're going to count them and decide which one's greater than and which one's less than. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pull up the smiley faces. Remember, when you're doing it on your paper in just a little bit, you'll be able to mark on them as you count to kind of help you. I don't know if it'll let me mark on them right now, but it will let me just point with them, I guess. So I'm going to count here, and I see how many smiley faces do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 smiley faces. So in this box right here, I'm going to type a number 5 to show that I have 5. And then down here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many hearts did I say I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had 7 hearts, so I'm going to write a 7 here. Now, friends, if I was doing this with my pencil and paper, I might make little dots on each of the hearts as I count them so I don't get lost on which ones I've counted and which ones I haven't counted. But since I'm on my computer screen, I can't do that. So we know that there's 5 smiley faces and there's 7 hearts. If I wanted to know which one was greater, which one is greater, 5 or 7? Remember, greater means more, so we would want to know which number is bigger or more, 5 or 7. If you said 7, you are correct. So then you would circle the hearts or circle the number. Since I can't do that on my computer screen, I just made it yellow for you. So we know that the hearts are greater. We know that 7 is greater than 5. Okay, let's go down to the next one. And we have smiley faces and hearts again, and we're going to count them. Ready? Help me count as I point. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many do we have here? We have 8. So I'm going to type in a number 8. Then I'm going to move down here and let's count how many hearts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to use my numbers again and I'm going to type in a 6. Oh goodness. This is having all kinds of problems. We'll type in a 6. It's not very big. I don't know why it's not going very big. I guess it's not that big of a deal. Oh, there we go, 6. So I have 8 smiley faces and 6 hearts. Which one would be greater? Remember, greater means more. Greater means more. So which one would be more? Which number would be bigger? The 8 or the 6? The 8 or the 6? Which one is greater? If you said 8, you are correct. Good job. Let's Let's go to the next one. We're going to count the smiley faces. 1, 2, help me count. Let's start again and you help me count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, there's 9 smiley faces. Let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. There's 9 hearts. So there's 9 smiley faces and there's 9 hearts. What would I say those numbers are? Which one is greater? Which one is less than? You're right, neither of them, because they are the same. Good job if you said the same. Okay, let's go ahead and go to this one. We're going to count the smiley faces again. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8 smiley faces. And then let's see how many hearts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hearts. Now this time, instead of doing greater than, I want to do less than. So which of these is less than? Think in your smart brain. What does less than mean? Less than means, you guessed it, smaller. Less than means smaller. So which of these is smaller? You're right. 7 is less than 8 because 7 is a smaller number than 8. So there's less hearts than there are smiley faces. Let's go to this one and we'll count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 smiley faces. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. Now we need to think in our smart brains. Which one is less than? Which one is less than? Is there less hearts or is there less smiley faces? Remember, less than means smaller. If you said there's less hearts, you are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and make those yellow because we know their hearts are less than the smiley faces. So today on your worksheet, you're going to have a grown-up help you because you're going to have to kind of flip around a little bit because we're going to go to lesson 4.6. And so I'll type that in here real quick. You want lesson 4.6, and you are going to do pages 211, 212, and 213. So have a grown-up help you find lesson 4.6 in your math worksheets, and you'll want to do page 211, 212, and 213. And you're going to be finding groups that are less than and greater than. You'll want your grown-up that's helping you to read the directions at the bottom of the page to know which one you are doing. Good luck with your math, and I cannot wait to see your awesome work. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye-bye, friends.